Hi everyone, it's Julie from Main Street USA Studios. Stay tuned for all the latest news from the Disneyland Resort. This week, Downtown Disney news, Lululemon in Downtown Disney, Arthur and Sons Steakhouse details revealed, a Goofy movie 30th anniversary, new Disney Junior show premiere details, Pixar Pals Playtime Party returns, Stitch's Interplanetary Beach Party blast at Tomorrowland Terrace, Rex character meet and greet coming, Season of the Force is here, construction updates, and more. Big updates in Downtown Disney, more shopping, more dining, and more unique experiences are on the way. First up, Lululemon is making its way to Downtown Disney. The store is taking over part of the former ESPN Zone space. The old ESPN Zone is currently fenced off and under construction. And then Nectar Life is bringing its handmade bath and body products to Downtown Disney. From whipped soaps and body scrubs to an interactive customization bar where you can create your own fragrance and bath blends. This store sort of reminds us of Basin White at the Grand Floridian over in Magic Kingdom. There'll also be a pop-up version of the store opening this spring, so you can get an early look at their products before the full store launches later this year. Disney did mention this store will be near Avengers Reserve, so this one is not in the former ESPN Zone building. And for boba lovers, get ready, Bopo Go is coming. Created by the team behind Bopo Cafe, this new boba shop will serve up high-quality, authentic bubble tea using real fruit, ceremonial-grade matcha, and all natural ingredients. Now, this new slot is inspired by convenience stores in Asia, and it will also carry imported snacks and candies. We weren't clear if this would be in the ESPN Zone building or somewhere else in downtown. The permit for the ESPN Zone building did mention 3 new venues, so it could be. And new details this week about the new Steakhouse, Arthur and Sons, and Pearl's Roadside Barbecue. These 2 dining locations will occupy the former Tortilla Joe's location that is also currently being demolished, although we are unsure if the entire building is being torn down or just the interior. Brought to Downtown Disney by Michelin-starred chef Joe Isidori, Arthur and Sons Steak and Bourbon will be sophisticated, comfortable, and serving up premier cuts of beef, fresh seafood, sandwiches, and a top-tier bourbon and cocktail menu. The new interior concept art was shared this week. We like the warm wood tones, plush booths, and large bar area. It looks very modern for Downtown Disney. And a Goofy movie turns 30 this year. There's lots of merch available at the parks for the anniversary, including this Max as Powerline popcorn bucket, as well as the Max as Powerline plush, a Loungefly backpack, and other Goofy movie merch. This movie is a fan favorite, and we're glad it's getting the attention it deserves. It's also a big week for entertainment updates at the park. First up, there's a brand new show coming to DCA. Disney Junior Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Live officially debuts at the Disney Theater on May 16th, and it's sounding super cute. The show is based on the fan favorite Mickey Mouse Clubhouse and the upcoming Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus. It will be packed with original songs, dancing, and tons of interactive fun, according to the announcement. The new show has Mickey and Minnie throw a party that goes on the road to find Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto, ending in a high-energy finale. So we aren't sure if this means it's only focused on Mickey and Friends or if other Disney Junior shows will be part of it. The previous show had Mickey and Minnie, but also other Disney Junior shows. Next up, Rex from Toy Story is coming to Pixar Pier starting June 1st for a limited time. He's celebrating 30 years of Toy Story, similar to the Goofy movie 30-year anniversary. He will be available for meet and greets, but we're not sure how long he'll be sticking around, so it's definitely one to catch soon. Another fan favorite making a return is Pixar Pals Playtime Party. It's heading back to the Fantasyland Theater at Disneyland Park starting May 23rd. This one's full of energy and perfect for the little ones. And if you haven't been, there's games, activities, meet and greets with Pixar characters, and even short films playing on the big screen. This one was a big hit last year when it debuted, and we're really happy to see it coming back. And over in Tomorrowland, Stitch's Interplanetary Beach Party Blast is back starting May 23rd. At the show, you might also see Goofy, Pluto, Chippendale, and Clarabelle dancing along. It's happening most nights for a limited time at Tomorrowland Terrace. We love seeing Tomorrowland Terrace stage up and running. This one always seems to be closed. And Season of the Force is here from now to May 11th at Disneyland with a full lineup of immersive Star Wars experiences. In Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, the new nighttime projection show, Shadows of Memory, a Skywalker saga, will light up the Batu spires with scenes and music from throughout the films. And then the fireworks show, Fire of the Rising Moons, will also be presented on select nights. This one has synchronized music and it has the colorful Magic Band Plus effects. If you have that Magic Band, this one can be pretty fun. A new character experience debuted as well. Luke Skywalker is now greeting guests in Galaxy's Edge. Then in Tomorrowland, Space Mountain, of course, becomes Hyperspace Mountain, a limited time ride overlay. And then Star Wars is going to include scenes and characters from Ashoka, Andor, and The Mandalorian. And as always, new merchandise, new popcorn buckets like the cool Death Star popcorn bucket, and foodie guide items. Check out our video link below for our full Season of the Force foodie guide review. And don't forget to check out the new Death Star confectionery display in the Grand Californian Hotel lobby. It's really special. You can see the X-Wing and the TIE Fighter, and they look like they're orbiting the Death Star in midair. It's really a special clear attachment that you can barely see though. And right next door, of course, the Great Hall cart in the lobby is also full of fun Star Wars treats too, like the classic Star Wars sugar cookie, the Wookiee cookie, pretzel lightsabers, and a Millennium Falcon chocolate lollipop. Enclosure and construction updates starting in Disneyland. It's a Small World reopens in less than a month on April 25th. Indiana Jones will also reopen on April 25th. Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln and the Disney Gallery both remain closed for the foreseeable future. We're very excited to see the new Walt show, hopefully in a few more months. Meet Tinkerbell and Pixie Hollow has no reopening date yet. The Matterhorn will close April 28th. The Enchanted Tiki Room also closing April 28th. The tree in the courtyard is getting remade, and then some interior theater refreshes are coming too. Dumbo the Flying Elephant will have a brief closure April 22nd, reopening April 24th. And Mad Tea Party closes May 5th, reopening May 7th, so likely a light maintenance there. New this week, King Arthur Carousel will close May 7th, reopening May 9th, also a very short closure. The Grand Californian Hotel entrance into DCA remains closed as the new automated entry gates get installed there. Over in DCA, Redwood Creek Challenge Trail is closed, reopening next Friday, April 11th. The Sorcerer's Workshop, Anna and Elsa's Royal Welcome, they're both closed on April 28th and will reopen on May 13th. And then Soarin' closes briefly on April 28th, reopening May 2nd.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.